Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop Facebook notifications on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop Facebook notifications on Gmail, go to your browser and browse facebook.com. Go to your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. In left pane, scroll down, and here you will find under Preference Notifications. Click on Notifications, scroll down again, and here you will find Email Notifications. Click on Email Notifications, and look here. Here, Suggested is selected. Notifications we think you may be interested in, except the ones you turn off. That means all notifications will be sent to this email address. And you will find here another option, record notifications, only notifications about your account, security, privacy, and page you manage. Now select it, and now all notifications will be stopped except your account, security, and privacy. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.